Hey everyone, it's Mr. Scott here. I have a fun homemade drumming musical activity for everyone to do. It's really easy. I have real drumsticks, but you could really use any old sticks that you find. If you have drumsticks, great. If not, rulers, pencils, sticks, branches from outside, that'll work. I have a box, I have a jar here, I have a canister, and I have a bottle. So these all make different sounds or pitches. So just with 4 household items you can use, and you can make any different sounds on. So let's try it out. Now we can try 4 on a hand. 4 right, 4 left. Now we try 2. Right, right, left, left. And now we can try different tempos. The word tempo means faster or slower. Slow. Faster. 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 Now we can play with volume. We can go quiet. We could do medium. And we could do loud. So explore. Try out different patterns, different arrangements, whatever feels good, whatever sounds good, whatever you're comfortable with. And you can just play around. And you can have your own little mini drum orchestra right here. It really helps you burn off some energy while sounding musical. And of course, it's not as loud as a real drum set. So I'm going to have at it for a minute. And that is pretty much it. So try it out, guys. See if you can have some fun with this. And thanks for watching, and be good and stay safe and stay smart out there. Thanks. See you guys soon.